What is DeFi? How to get started in DeFi. Definition. Short for decentralized finance. DeFi is an umbrella term for peer-to-peer financial services on public blockchains, primarily Ethereum. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is an umbrella term for financial services on public blockchains, primarily Ethereum. With DeFi, you can do most of the things that banks support: earn interest, borrow, lend, buy insurance, trade derivatives, trade assets, and more, but it's faster and doesn't require paperwork or a third party. As with crypto generally, DeFi is global, peer-to-peer, meaning directly between two people, not routed through a centralized system, pseudonymous, and open to all. Why is DeFi important? DeFi takes the basic premise of Bitcoin, digital money, and expands on it, creating an entire digital alternative to Wall Street, but without all the associated costs. Think office towers, trading floors, banker salaries. This has the potential to create more open, free, and fair financial markets that are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. What are the benefits? Open. You don't need to apply for anything or open an account. You just get access by creating a wallet. Pseudonymous. You don't need to provide your name, email address, or any personal information. Flexible. You can move your assets anywhere at any time, without asking for permission, waiting for long transfers to finish, and paying expensive fees. Fast. Interest rates and rewards often update rapidly, as quickly as every 15 seconds, and can be significantly higher than traditional Wall Street. Transparent. Everyone involved can see the full set of transactions. Private corporations rarely grant that kind of transparency. How does it work? Users typically engage with DeFi via software called dapps, decentralized apps, most of which currently run on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike a conventional bank, there is no application to fill out or account to open. Here are some of the ways people are engaging with DeFi today. Lending. Lend out your crypto and earn interest and rewards every minute, not once per month. Getting a loan. Obtain a loan instantly without filling in paperwork, including extremely short-term flash loans that traditional financial institutions don't offer. Trading. Make peer-to-peer trades of certain crypto assets, as if you could buy and sell stocks without any kind of brokerage. Saving for the future. Put some of your crypto into savings account alternatives and earn better interest rates than you'd typically get from a bank. Buying derivatives. Make long or short bets on certain assets. Think of these as the crypto version of stock options or futures contracts. What are the downsides? Fluctuating transaction rates on the Ethereum blockchain mean that active trading can get expensive. Depending on which dapps you use and how you use them, your investment could experience high volatility. This is, after all, new tech. You have to maintain your own records for tax purposes. Regulations can vary from region to region. How to get started in DeFi. A step-by-step guide to starting to explore the vast ecosystem of decentralized finance. If you've been dabbling in crypto, you've likely heard of decentralized finance, or DeFi. It represents one of the core promises of crypto, the ability for anyone around the world to access basic financial services with little more than a smartphone and the internet. As it exists today, the global financial services industry is siloed and controlled by centralized financial institutions, governments, and borders. That makes some basic financial services inaccessible to more than 1 billion people globally. For anyone with some cryptocurrencies in a crypto wallet, however, DeFi provides open alternatives to nearly every financial service we use today, from earning interest in trading to taking out loans or securing insurance. All of this happens without the need for an intermediary. It can be a bit daunting to get started. There are hundreds of DeFi apps with varying use cases across numerous blockchains, and thousands of coins to potentially choose from. We're going to walk you through the basics of the DeFi world and how to begin taking advantage of decentralization. We'll cover what you need to get started, how to navigate to different DeFi apps, and highlight some of the most popular services the DeFi ecosystem has to offer. Getting started. If you haven't already done so, the first thing you'll need to do is set up a crypto wallet compatible with DeFi apps, like Coinbase Wallet or Coinbase Dapp Wallet. Your wallet is your gateway into Web3 and the ecosystem of dapps, decentralized applications, like DeFi apps. If you are reading this from your Coinbase dApp browser, then you are already set. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to add some crypto to it. If you already have an account with Coinbase Exchange, you can easily link it to your Coinbase wallet to securely move your crypto from your exchange account into your wallet. Coinbase dApp wallet is located within your primary Coinbase app and provides easy in-app funding flows. You can also transfer crypto from places other than Coinbase, using your wallet's public address. Your wallet address can be found by tapping the QR code icon in the mobile app or browser extension. Once your wallet is loaded with the cryptocurrencies of your choice, there are thousands of options compatible with either Coinbase product. You're ready to navigate to your first dApp. What's a dApp? A dApp is a decentralized application that you access by logging in directly with your wallet. dApps exist across many blockchains that support smart contracts, like Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, or the BNB chain. Connecting your wallet to dApps is how you can, for example, earn interest, take out a crypto loan, or secure insurance against a crypto investment. How to access? You can easily access Web3 dApps with Coinbase, through Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase Wallet extension, or dApp browser on Coinbase. For Coinbase Wallet, you tap the middle icon on the bottom of your screen to open Wallet's built-in web browser. You can then type in the URL of the dApp you'd like to navigate to. And if you're using Google Chrome, you can download the Coinbase Wallet extension from the Chrome Web Store and simply connect your wallet to any dApp you navigate to. For Coinbase, click the browser icon on the bottom of your screen to open the built-in browser and start exploring the world of dApps. What can you do next? The world of DeFi can get complicated quickly. Here are some popular use cases that you can start to take advantage of. Lending. You can deposit crypto into a lending pool that is then borrowed from by other crypto users who deposit their own assets as collateral. Lenders can earn interest by providing liquidity to the pool. Compound is one of the most popular lending dApps. Borrowing. You can also use a number of dApps, like Aave or Compound, to borrow crypto against your own holdings. You simply deposit your collateral and take out a loan from one of the available lending pools. Liquidity providing. Since DeFi doesn't depend on intermediaries, the capital that's used on DeFi apps to facilitate trading is provided by other users of the platform, in the form of something called a liquidity pool. They're essentially crowdsourced sums of pairs of cryptocurrency that are locked into a smart contract. To join a liquidity pool, you need to deposit equal parts of a trading pair, like AVAX and USDC, for example, and agree to leave it there for a certain period of time. In exchange, you'll receive a portion of the fees generated by the trades made with that pair, in the form of a third token. Yield farming. Yield farming is perhaps the riskiest corner of DeFi. When liquidity providers earn tokens as rewards for providing liquidity, there are also opportunities to use those tokens as liquidity for other pools, which amplifies your returns by creating multiple channels of passive income. The most sophisticated yield farmers employ complex strategies involving moving sums of crypto between exchanges and dApps in attempts to find the highest interest rates. PancakeSwap is a popular platform for yield farming on BNB chain. Collateralizing an NFT. Do you own a high-value NFT that you don't want to sell, but might want to get some liquidity out of? You can use a dApp like NFTFi to deposit an eligible NFT as collateral, and receive a peer-to-peer loan from someone willing to provide you that liquidity. DeFi insurance. The DeFi ecosystem is still brand new, meaning it is full of potential risks that could jeopardize money you've deposited into an app. For example, a smart contract bug, like the infamous one that took down the DAO in 2016, could wipe out your entire investment. Platforms like Nexus Mutual can help provide some level of protection,